Introducing the iRobot Roomba Vac robot vacuum, your ultimate cleaning companion. Experience powerful suction with our 3-stage cleaning system for carpets and hard floors. Smart navigation ensures neat rows, avoiding furniture and stairs with ease. Ready to use straight out of the box, setup takes just a few minutes. Control your Roomba with the iRobot Home app, featuring Clean While I'm Away. Sleek design reaches tight spots, while the edge-sweeping brush tackles corners. Self-charging and efficient, it cleans for up to 120 minutes before recharging. Choose from 3 power levels for a customized clean, including spot cleaning for extra dirt.